On this special day, as I celebrate another year of life, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the precious gift of survival. The journey I have walked, the battles I have fought, and the victories I have achieved fill my heart with immense gratitude and joy. Surviving cancer has been a testament to my strength, resilience, and unwavering spirit. The challenges I faced, the pain I endured, and the fear I conquered have shaped me into a warrior, a survivor, and a beacon of hope. I am thankful for the support of my loved ones, the care of my medical team, and the blessings of each new day. Every moment, every breath, and every heartbeat is a reminder of the preciousness of life and the resilience of the human spirit. Today, I celebrate not just another year added to my age, but a year filled with triumph, courage, and gratitude. I am grateful for the second chance at life, the opportunity to embrace each day with renewed purpose and passion. May this year be a testament to the power of hope, the beauty of resilience, and the joy of gratitude. With love, gratitude, and a heart full of blessings.
O Diyos ay tanggapin ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong inihiling. Di ko akalain ako ay bibigyan pansin. Ang taong tulad ko'y di dapat mahalin. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso, kaluluwa, hindi makaya na makapagkaloob. Mamahalin iyas, niging mong iluko, ang tanging dalangin. O Diyos ay tanggapin ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Aking hinihintay ang iyong pagbabalik, Jesus. Ang kapiling mo'y kagalakang lubos. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso't kaluluwa, hindi makaya na makapagkaloob. Mamahalin iyas, higit kong ilubog, ang tanging dalangin. O Diyos ay tanggapin ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. iba pa.